Let's do this. So the representation of 2.317, 317, and so on in the form of P by Q is X. So he's given you the number X. X is equal to 2.317, 317, 317, and so on. So that means it's a recurring. It's recurring, and you can see 317 is repeating of one after the other. It's recurring and it is non-terminating. Non-terminating means it's continuously going. So it's a rational number. So you know this is a rational number. So every rational number can be converted to a P by Q form. Yes, Arnav? Very good. Let's do that. Just give me some time. Let others also understand. So how do we write this? So whenever we have numbers like this, X is equal to, you write it as 2.317 bar. Right? So one way to solve this is, you know the method that you have already learned in school. So another way to write the same thing is X can be written as 2 plus 0.317 bar. Now, why am I writing it as 0.317 bar? Because you know how to convert a 0.317 bar, right? So how do you do it? Your value of X is nothing but 2 plus. Can anyone tell me what is 0.317 bar? How can you write it into a fraction? 0.317 bar?
317 upon 1000.
No. It's 317 upon anyone?
1000.
No, it's 999, right? Oh, Nandini says, I don't know how to do that. Okay, let me teach you then. Wait. So a lot of people don't know. So let me do it. Wait. Okay, thanks, Nandini. No problem. Okay, so let's do some fundamental stuff first. Say if we have something like 0.2 bar. Say, for example, we have 0.2 bar. What do you mean by 0.2 bar? That means the meaning of 0.2 bar is 0.22222, so on. So we call that as 0.2 bar. So how do we convert a number like 0.2 bar into a rational number? So we assume that to be equal to X. X is equal to 0.2 bar. People who already know, please hold. Sahas doesn't know how to do this, and even Nandini needs help. So please hold for a moment. X is equal to 0.2 bar. So what we do is we multiply this with 10. I'll show you why we multiply. We multiply this with 10. So 10x is equal to, if you multiply this with 10, so can I say this 0.22222 will become 2.222222? 0.22222 will become 2.222222. So it will become 2.2 bar. So basically it becomes 2.2 bar. So X is equal to 0.2. Now, because in 2 bar, what do you mean by 2 bar? 2 bar means 2 is going on till infinity. It's a non-terminating number. So now I'm multiplying with 10. So what is happening is 10x is 2.2 bar. Now, why are we doing this? The reason we are doing it is, by doing this, now when I subtract 10x minus x, I'll do like this. I'll subtract 10x minus x on the left hand side. On the right hand side also 2.2 bar minus 0.2 bar. I'm subtracting, this is the second equation. So let's assume this is the first equation. So this is the second equation. So I'm subtracting 1 from 2. What is the advantage? Your 10x minus x will become 9x, will be equal to 2.2 bar minus 0.2 bar. That 0.2 bar gets cancelled. So you get it as 2. 9x is equal to 2. So therefore your x will become 2 by 9. Your x will become 2 by 9. Okay. So just give me a moment. Let me erase this. We can come back. We can solve this later. Not a big deal. Let's do simple stuff first. This is x is equal to 2 by 9. So if we have x is equal to say 0.3 bar. Now what we learn is, now 0.3 bar, we need not worry from now on you can clearly say, I can write, you can do this all exercise or simply write x as 3 by 9. Generally, after a point, if there is only one number, we divide that by 9. That's it, 3 by 9. If we were to have, something like, in your basic schooling, you learned this. If you have x is equal to 0.3, what do? You say x is nothing but 3 by 10. You put 10 because if you remove this point, you can put 10 in the denominator. But in case of 0.3 bar, you cannot put 10. It becomes 9 there. Do you understand what's happening, Nandini? Sahas, quickly mention if you are understanding what I'm saying. Very good. Very good. Now, therefore, whenever we have 0.3 bar, we say 3 by 9. Okay. Now, let's do a different example. Say, let's assume we have x is equal to 0.32 bar. Now, what do you mean by 0.32 bar? It is 0.32, 32, 32, 32, 32, and so on. So, whenever we have like that, now what we do is we multiply this with 100. Now, why are we multiplying this with 100? Because of point ke baad, there are two numbers which have a bar. I multiply with 100. So what happens is 100x is equal to 0.32 bar. Now that will be, when I multiply this with 100, this will be 32.32, 32, 32, 32, 32. So 32.32 bar. Now what's happening is I am making after point both the numbers same. So that now when I subtract 100x minus x will be 99x. 99x, I am subtracting like this, 100x minus x. 99x will be 32.32 bar minus 32 bar. That will give me 32. Therefore, your x will become 32 by 99. 32 by 99. So that will make you learn new stuff now. Whenever you have something like x is equal to 0.45 bar. So you need not worry whenever you have 0.45 bar, you can simply write x is nothing but simply 45 by, tell me, 45 by, yes, Nandini.
99.
Very good. So we write
99.
Very good. 45 by 99. So this is something that you have to learn.